Chapter 3, From Gathering to Growing Food. Around 12,000 years ago, the world had started becoming warmer. This led to an increase in plants, trees, grasslands, and overall greenery. Because of this, animals which survived on grass like deer, goat, sheep, etc., started increasing in numbers. Humans were still gatherers. They would gather the food that they could eat. Now, as the greenery increased, people started observing the places where edible plants could be found. How the seeds broke off the stalks of these plants. The seeds fell on the ground and new plants sprouted out from them. While it is not possible to find out exactly how we humans started farming, most historians believe that this was a gradual or a slow process that allowed humans to start planting the seeds they wanted to grow for them as their food, and this might have led to the beginning of farming. They also started to protect the plants that they grew from the birds and animals so that once the plants are ripened, they could eat up the grains. Children, we all are very fond of having certain animals as our pets. Quite some of us might also be having some animals as our pets at our homes. You know, it were these early humans who started this practice of domesticating animals or taming these animals and keeping them along with in their shelter places. In order to attract the animals that lived in the forest, the early humans would leave some food for the animals outside their homes where the animals would come to eat it. The first animal to be tamed was the wild ancestor of the dog. Now, slowly, the early humans encouraged other animals which were very calm and gentle and not at all wild to come near their camps or the places where they lived. Animals like sheep, goat, cattle, and also pigs were tamed and domesticated. These animals were kept in herds, and most of these animals they ate grass, so it was easy for the early humans to maintain these animals also. Not only this, the early humans they protected these domesticated animals from the attacks of other wild animals. They took care that the wild animals did not eat up or hurt their domesticated animals. And this is how the early humans became farmers first and then the herders. Children, read the flowchart given here to understand well how the early humans became farmers and herders and brought revolution in the Mesolithic age. In next video, we meet with new topic. Till then, revise these topics well. Bye.